Almost everyone's Cisco certification journey starts with the ICND1 exam. For those interested only in the Cisco Certified Entry Network Technician certification, only the ICND1 exam is required. However, the Cisco Certified Network Associate certification is much more popular, and ICND1 is used as part of the path to CCNA, which also includes taking ICND2. The ICND1 exam includes the most basic topics related to modern networks. The topics include TCP/IP, IP routers, Ethernet LANs, and LAN switching. This exam also sets a foundation of protocol knowledge for both local area networks and wide area networks, hardware basics, and a heavy emphasis on IP addressing and subnetting. It also introduces the Cisco Command Line Interface, aka CLI, which is a text-based user interface used to configure, monitor, and troubleshoot problems on Cisco devices, including Cisco routers and switches. The exam consists of 40 to 50 questions. These questions are multiple choice and drag and drop, and also include hands-on sims, simlets, and testlets, designed to test your practical knowledge. The passing score varies, depending on the number and type of questions. You have a full hour and a half to take each exam, but the test does not allow you to skip a question and go back later. The exam is available in several languages, including English, Japanese, Chinese, Spanish, Russian, Korean, French, and Portuguese. In order to take the exam, you must first register with Pearson VUE. Have personal identification such as a social security number and a credit card ready when registering. Pearson VUE can aid in finding the closest testing center to you. They can also help you by phone if necessary. Many examinees find the following topics to be more difficult portions of the exam. IP subnetting can be especially challenging. While at a conceptual level it is quite simple, the challenge with subnetting on the exam comes from related issues such as interpreting the terminology surrounding subnetting, mastering the mathematics needed, both remembering which processes to use and knowing how to use them, and applying the IP addressing and routing concepts while working with the mathematics. Time pressures also make this exam challenging. First, you cannot skip questions and go back later. Thus, it's easy to waste time on topics where you're unsure of the answer. Second, the sims, simlets, and testlets are particularly time-consuming, taking anywhere from 4 to 8 minutes. Thus, it's important to budget your time wisely. The sims, simlets, and testlets also require a level of comfort with hands-on application of typing commands on a Cisco router or switch CLI as if you were configuring or monitoring real equipment. In order to prepare for the exam, we recommend that you review the exam objectives found at the Cisco Learning Network. We also recommend that you practice on the CLI. Buy used gear, use emulators, use the simulator, rent or borrow gear, but plan to practice the configurations and spend time understanding the router and switch commands. The CertSkills.com website has some links to help you work through the topic of building a CCNA lab. It is also advisable to practice subnetting until you can do it all, do it well, and do it fast. Finally, take advantage of the Cisco Learning Network. You can pose questions and often get multiple answers in just minutes. It's a hugely popular place for folks to collaborate on their path towards Cisco certification. For primary study, we recommend the CCENT CCNA ICND1 640-822 Official Exam Certification Guide by Wendell Odom. Note that the premium ebook version also includes 4 complete ICND1 practice exams, 4 full CCNA practice exams, and enhanced practice test features. We also recommend Stephen McQuarrie's Interconnecting Cisco Network Devices. Additionally, many people find the Network Simulator, the CCNA flashcards, and Pearson smartphone apps helpful for practice and hands-on experience. PearsonITCertification.com is your trusted source for certification preparation materials, including books, ebooks, videos, flashcards, simulations, and more. Connect to us via Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and subscribe to our On Certification channel in iTunes. After passing the ICND1 exam, many go on to take the ICND2 exam in order to achieve CCNA certification. Passing the ICND2 exam to achieve your CCNA opens up a much wider set of options. You can choose to pursue a Cisco Certified Design Associate certification. You may also choose to go wide and pursue additional concentrations in security, voice, wireless, or service provider operations. Alternately, you may choose to go deeper into routing and switching and pursue the CCIP, which has a decidedly service provider bias, or the CCNP, which is more enterprise-oriented. Good luck!